Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So we want to look at questions to problems involving simple equation. So have the first question here says 3/4 of a number is 12 more than 2/3 of the number. What are what is the number? So what we're going to let the number, the first question, let the number be x. Let the number be x. So 3/4 of it, that is 3/4 of the number. 3/4 of x is more than, that is equal to 2/3 of it, that is 2/3. 2/3 of the number plus 12. So here we're going to, so as you can see, the same thing as writing 3x over 4. So we bring this one to this side. So that will be minus 2x all over what? Over 3 equals to what? 12. So find the LCM. Find the LCM of this, and that is what? 12. So 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times 3x, that is 9x, minus 2, 3 in 12 is 4. 4 times 2, that is 8x, equals to what? 12. So we can make this one over 1. That means x all over 12 equals to 12 over 1. So cross multiply. Therefore, x is equal to 144. And that is option D. I hope that is clear. So question 2. For question 2, we have a man spent 2/3 of his monthly wages on his car and 1/4 on food. If he spent 5,500 altogether, how much does he earn in a month? So this is a man spent 2/3 of his income. So let his income, let his the man's monthly income be what? Be y, right? So he spent 2/3 of it, 2/3 on car. Car will be 2/3, that is 2x over 3, and y 1/4 on food. On food will be 1/4 of it, that is x over 4 on food. So if what is spent altogether is 5,500, that is 2x over 3 plus x over 4 equals to 5,500. So what the value of x? Now how much did he spend? How much is his income? So this is what we're going to do. Let's find the LCM here. This is also 12. 3 in 12 is 4. 4 times 8. So 4 times 2 is 8x. Plus 4 in 12 is 3. That is times x. That's 3x. Equals to 5,500. So this gives 11x over 12 equals to 5,500. 5,500. So we can cross multiply and make this one over 1. That is 11x equals to 5,500 multiplied by 12. Divide both sides by 11. Divide both sides by 11. So 11 cancel 11. 11 here 1. 11 55 is 5. Then 0, 0. So 5 times 12 is 60. Then 0, 0. So that means the man's monthly income is 6,000 naira. And that is option C. That's option C. Hope that is clear. That's option C. Then question 3 now. For question 3, so we have, I divide a number by 3 and subtract 5. So a number, we don't know the number, let the number be x. I divide it by 3, that is x divided by 3. I subtract 5 minus 5. The result, that is equal to the same as when I divide the number by 4, and I divide the number by 4, alright, by 4 and subtract 6 minus 6. So what is the number? So let's find the value of x. Can I collect like terms? So let's bring this x over 3 minus x over 4 together equals to minus 6 plus 5. So we'll find the LCM here, which is 12. Right? 3 in 12 is 4. 4 times x is 4x. Minus 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times x is 3x equals to minus 1. Alright? So 4x minus 3x is what? X out over 12 equals to minus 1 over 1. That means x is equal to 1 equals to 5 equal to minus 2. So the answer is D. That is D. So we'll go to the next question, question 4. Okay? So question 4, we have if 18 is added to a number m, that is m plus 18. 18 is added to it, and the sum is divided by 2, that this is divided by 2. The result is equal to 5 times the number, 5 times the number, that is 5 times m, that is 5m. So find m. So we just make this one over 1 and cross multiply. So we have 10m equals to n plus 18. So that is 10m minus m equals to what? 18. That is 9m equals to what? 18. Divide both sides by 9. So therefore m is equal to what? 2. That is option C. I hope that is clear. Then the next one, question 5. Question 5. Tunde is x years old. Tunde is x years old, and his sister is half of his age. So Tunde, that's T is equal to x. Sister is half of Tunde's age, that is x over 2. The sum of their ages, the sum of Tunde's and the sister's age, that is x plus x over 2, is equal to this, is equal to the sum of their age is half of their father's age, who is now 60. That is half of 60, 60 divided by 2. So how old is Tunde and his sister? So find the age of Tunde, that is x. So that means we are saying x over 1. We can make this one over 1. So that is 2 is the LCM. That's going to be 2x plus x equals to what? 30. That gives 3x over 2 equals to what? 30. So we'll cross multiply here. That is 3x equals to what? 30 times 2. Divide both sides by 3 by 3. 3 cancel 3. 3 cancel, that's 10. That means x equals to what? 20. So that means Tunde's age is 20. So if Tunde's age is what? Tunde's age is 20 years. So his sister, who is half of this age, will be what? 20 divided by 2, which is 10. So the answer is 20 years and 10 years. That is option A. Option A. How that is clear? So we go to question 6 now. Question 6. We have when 12 is subtracted from a number. 12 is subtracted from a number. Let the number and the answer is divided by is divided into 10. So x is the number. So 12 is subtracted from it. This answer here is divided into 10. That is divided by 10. So the result of 10 is 1/4. That's 1 over 4 of the original number, which is of x. Find the number. That means I'm saying x minus 2 over 10 equals to x over 4. So we'll cross multiply. So we have 10x equals to 4 into bracket x minus 2. That is 10x equals to 4x minus 8. So this will give us 10x 10x minus 4x equals to minus 8. So this is 12. The mistake here. The images. Alright, this is 12, not 2. You can see. So it's just disappearing. So this is 12. So this will give us 48 instead of 8 is 48. So this is also 48 minus 48. So this will give us 6x equals to minus 48. Alright. So we divide both sides by 6 by what? By 6. So 6 will cancel 6. Yes. 48 divided by 6 gives us 8. That is minus 8. So the answer is minus 8. That's option B. I hope that is clear. So we'll go to question 7 now. Question 7. When 3 is divided by the sum of 8 and a certain number, when 3 is divided so by the sum of a certain number and 8, so that means x plus 8. So this 3 is divided by this number. That is supposed to be 3 divided by x plus 8. The result that is equal to the reciprocal of the number. Reciprocal of the number is x. That is 1 over 8. That's the meaning of reciprocal, 1 over. So from here we cross multiply. So we then have 3x equals to x plus what? 8. So that is 3x. That is 3x minus x equals to what? 8. That is 2x equals to 8. We divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel 2. So x is equal to 4. The value of x is 4. That is option C. I hope that is clear. Now let's question 8 now. Question 8. So under question 8 we have 25 years ago, a man was 1/3 of what it was 5 years ago. How old is the man? So 25 years ago will be less the man. Let's say how old is the man now? So let the man's age. Let the man's age be A. Now that's the age of the man. 25 years ago. 25 years ago. That means A minus 25 years. The man's age is this. So 25 years ago, the age of the man was 1/3 of what it was 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, why 5 years ago the man will be what? A minus what? 5. So at 25 years, the age of the man is equal to 1/3, 1 over 3 of his age when it was 5 years ago. So that means we have A minus 25 equals to A minus 5 over what? Over 3. I hope I'm making sense. So we cross multiply here. That will be 3 into A minus 25 equals to A minus 5. So this will give us 3A minus 75 equals to A minus 5. That is 3A minus A equals to minus 5 plus 75. This will give us 2A. 2A equals to 70. So divide both sides by 2. Therefore, A equals to 35. So the man's age is 35 years. So you can see the way this is interpreted. So let's go to question 9. Question 9 we have the sum of the ages of a man and his daughter is 60 years. So the sum of their ages less the daughter's age. So daughter's age is x. So if daughter's age is x, then father's age will be what? 60 minus x. Because the sum of their ages gives 60. We add the father's age and the daughter's age to give us 60. So which is subtract x from 60 to give us the father's age. Now, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, that means 5 years ago, the daughter's age will be what? Daughter will be x minus 5, while father will be what? 60 minus x minus 5. That will be what? 55 minus x. The ratio of their ages was 1 to, so ratio of daughter to father, that will be x minus 5 all over 55 minus x equals to 1 to what? 1 to 4. How old are they now? So how old is the father? How old is the daughter? So from here we cross multiply, that is 4 into x minus 5 equals to 55 minus x. So this is 4x minus 20 equals to 55 minus x. Calculate like terms here. That gives us 4x plus x equals to 55 plus 20. So this is 5x equal to 75. I hope I'm making sense. Alright. So divide both sides by 5. 5 cancel 5. So 5 here 1 and 1. And 5 here, that is 15. So which means daughter's age is 15. Since the daughter's age is 15, the father's age now. So daughter's age is 15. So father's age will be 60 minus 15. That is what? 45. So what means the age of the daughter is father's age is 45. That the age of the daughter is 15. So that is option D. Then question 10 ask what this. So it's the same thing, the same information. So find the difference between their ages. That will be 60 minus what? 15. That's question 10. 60 minus 15 gives us 45. You know, 45 years. So difference between their ages 45 years. I hope this is very clear. So that is that on this video. So we're going to mention our next. Bye for now.